And today we're looking at this as an S7 Pro magnetic POV, which is point of view, neck selfie holder. So we have a quick installation manual, and this is everything that came in the box. You've got a lanyard, you've got the necklace itself, you've got a phone holder, GoPro mount, and this is obviously GoPro mount, the screw that goes in, and we've got a magnetic latch down here. There's actually a lot of wind out here at the moment. I've got the magnetic necklace already adjusted to the length that I want it, and you just pop it in under your t-shirt. You can see on the back I've got the strap pulled in with the little adjustment there. The main neck sort of, I suppose you call it mount, is very flexible, as you can see. Has a little button on the back that you push to lock and unlock the mechanism. So we'll pop it on. And that's locked in position, and you sort of line it up with the little magnet underneath. And you can see that that's pulling on my t-shirt. We'll grab a mobile phone and pop it in. So you can see it fits in there quite nicely. The mount itself, you can adjust it to wherever you want. You can rotate. So quite handy. You can do all sorts of angles on it. Reasonably steady when you're sort of walking. And I'll just walk over to the plants here and have a bit of a look down with the camera in front of me. So this is the footage we're seeing, completely hands-free, and yeah, it's not too bad. It's moves a bit when you walk, so you get a little bit of a bounce in it, but overall it's not bad. If you're standing still and you're working on something in front of you, this would be a perfect setup.